Yo, what's up, Yuri? What's up, Fatal? Captain, good morning. Dawes, good
All
morning.
right, what's up, man? What's up?
Good morning.
Let's get this. That clear everything.
Let's have a day.
Yeah, no drawings today.
Let me get the YouTube chat.
Let's get our stuff set up. Oh, was this the candle yesterday? Oh, that's crazy. March 5th. Previous day low. Previous day high.
Okay, there's Meta. Let's move over to video.
Previous day high. Let's go previous day low.
Yo, what's up, Bob?
This is looking like it might want to be an inside day.
Good morning.
This was an inside day. So if we did this, we did this was an inside day, and then the next day we completely flushed it.
Previous day high.
Insane. Completely flushed it. That's crazy. Am I holding for a day though? I don't think so. 400 points. And I don't even know what that looks like in terms of wicks and stuff. So yeah, it's all good. Previous day low, previous day high. Then let's get our orbs set up. We are move this up a little bit. There we go. Move that down. This is our low. So this is our London orb high. And then we have our London orb low. Okay.
121 calls.
Failed to get above. Nothing closed above the orb. This closed below, but they got brought back up. Rejected. Brought back up again. Rejected. And then flushed. So let's see. And then I have it on this chart over here, but literally this fib from previous day low to previous day high.
Nice Dawes.
Game. Yeah, we bounced right off of it.
My account's just finally refreshed after they pulled the money out, so I just took a little scalp, $500. They're not gonna stress about it, right?
Damn.
Just getting through those days. All right, there's a video. Let's move over to Tesla.
Yeah, literally bounced off of it. The 61.8 fib is literally down here into this VWAP area, but we're keeping this chart clean.
Also, I requested again last night. I don't know if this applies to you guys, but if there's a trader in the group that's excuse me. There's a trader in the group that is at, a 5 green day kind of point in their funded account, like whatever you're trading. Please consider taking a payout, right? Don't sit there and try to build cushion and, what if I could make a little bit more, have a huge day, and I could just focus on those base hits, right? And as cliche as that sounds, it's the absolute truth. Once you get one payout, let's say it's $500, right? Once you get one payout, you now have shown yourself, proven to yourself that you can extract profit from the market, right? But if you're a trader that's like, hey, I want to risk it, I'm, wanting to make more money here, first payout's going to be huge, and then you lose it, now you have created a form of trauma that was unexpected. Now you're going to, trade fearfully. You're gonna be like, oh man, I was so close to a payout, and next time I get so close to it, those emotions are gonna arise again, and you're gonna trade with anxiety, lack of confidence, maybe forms of greed to revenge trade. Who knows? So take that payout, please. Don't even second guess it. Breaking base below the pre-market low. Uh, 265, 260 puts. Bounce off the pre-market low. 375, 280 calls.
And it's absolutely right, man. Take that money, take that moolah, because you don't know what's gonna happen, dog. You don't know what's gonna happen. Even today, like I'm aiming for $200 just to secure the payout. I did that wrong. Yeah, I'm just trying to secure that payout. But again, we don't know what's going to happen. Anything can and will happen in these markets. And it's just best we realize that from early and take the money. Because it's not real. None of this is real until it hits your bank account. Believe it. None of this is real until it hits your bank account.
10K unfunded in a day, and then I sat there after it was blown up, like, what the fuck? You know, and the only person you can be mad at, or only entity you can be mad at, is yourself. Can't be mad at Top Step for their rules. Can't be mad at the market because it didn't go how you had planned or predicted. Every single day, it's my fault when I win. It's my fault when I lose.
There we go. Can't blame nobody. My battery's gonna die to sort this out. Just trying to do something. Playing very aggressively right now. Not even thinking. Y'all can't even see what I be playing, but it's all good. I'll be done soon.
I don't know. I have to check it out. Hangman candles, though, typically are on a push up, right? That's why they're hanging. So if it pushes up and then you get a candle like this, hammer candle, right? That's all it is. You get a candle like that on a push up, right? When price is pushed, this is a form of exhaustion. Okay, typically you'd see the price continue downwards. But if I go to Tesla on the daily, that is a spinning top candle, right? A form of indecision. So it's I'd say a neutral candle. Can go long, can go short, but given the context here, it probably looks like it wants to bounce. I mean, you know, look at on this push up here, what happened? Spinning top, same candle as this, and then you had a sharp reversal, sharp rejection. Okay, and look at that, right? That's not a hanging man, but that is an inverted hammer at the lows. What is this setup? I know that, you know, I started the session a little late, but what? Not setup, but what would we call that? Right here. What do we call that in the House of Stacks? What time do I consider pre-market? 12 a.m. Pre-market is from 4 a.m. to 9:29. Puzzle piece doesn't fit. Thank you with the vision. Puzzle piece does not fit there, right? This one, yeah, doji method, great, right here. Thank you, Joe. But this right here, puzzle piece does not fit. See, this is the same candle, is it not?
Okay, we done. What happened?
But this one is on a push up into bear.
Yeah. I don't like the look of these candles. in all
Right,
honesty.
this here is a form of exhaustion from the sellers, right? They
Don't like the look
they're
of
not
this
pushing their ass
candle.
lower, they're covering, taking profit, and what happens is their trailing stops get hit and pushes back up into the EMAs, and HFT algos pick it up, rinse and repeat, right? And look, I mean,
What was this
candle
candle
was the same as
yesterday?
well. The
This was at
inverted hammer
8:30.
candle at the peak. That puzzle piece fit. This puzzle piece does not.
Oh, that was a rejection from 700s from this demand zone here.
Hopefully I didn't miss it.
Oh, and it rejected perfectly off my downward trend line. Nice. We're gonna get some intraday levels in here later on. Probably gonna 2 minute. This looks like it wants to curl up. Like it's looking like it wants to curl up and just push up, but CBC is short. This is a 2-minute EMA rejection. I just need a quick scalp today. Oh, that's all I'm looking for. One quick scalp. One quick scalp.
575, 574 puts, bounce off a pre-market low, 579, 580 calls, okay? Breaking base above the pre-market high, 583, 584 calls, reject off of the pre-market high. Hey, chill out. 580, 579 puts, okay?
Looks like a hammer candle.
Hourly chart here for the directional analysis. Need a few levels to the upside here.
There's a lot of imbalances here, to be honest. Like, of course, this double top.
Really nice short off the 2-minute EMA right now.
This is a double top right here. So we could see price coming up to here. What does this look like on a 30-minute? It doesn't look as great on the 30-minute. This one still looks like the place to be. Trend line rejection, trend line rejection. Not trying to chase this breakout of this trend line.
Don't shadow this when I'm about to scale. Just a de-risk here because it is 9 a.m. See if I'm going to give a little dollar.
What's going on with prop firms? So you'll never guess what Apex did.
Okay.
Extended their sale. Like, I honestly don't even want to trade the Apex because of how they be moving and whatever. But I'm gonna win with Apex. You know, I'm gonna win with Apex. Like, they will pay me out. I will get big payouts from Apex. I will win with Apex. You know, I want to get these 20 accounts back. I will win with Apex.
All right, there you go. 15-point gain.
403.
All right, I covered.
Yeah, look, 2-minute EMA rejections. Just
there's 20 points.
Boom. Now, do I want to take this bounce? It could work.
Break that bill.
There you go. It worked.
We got a bill at 400 right here.
Instant 10 points.
Make sure you guys cover some, okay?
Instant 10 points. Let's see if it will rock it up like it did before. Let's go back to the 10-minute chart.
Prep here. Okay, November 1st. Will a day. And then October 31st, will a day. Go back to the hourly chart now. Well, let me check that 2 hour real quick. Look at that this morning, guys. Right there, 5 in the morning. I know that, we're not out, most of us at that time, but 2 hour EMA rejection, or now kind of breaking through that Bolton zone. If they continue that 2 hour CVC, we could break previous day low 572.26. Guys, you're up 20 points right now. Okay, about to be up 30 probably. There you go. There's 30. Breaking the bill. Make sure you guys manage this trade, please. Set a trailing stop loss in profit. All right, we won this one very easily. All you have to do is trade 10 and 2. That's it. $600 per contract right now. Okay. Going up here. Oh, baby, whoa, baby, whoa. All right. Maybe one more. Right there. Okay. Pre-market low getting broken here. I love it.
So next target,
what's up, Red?
if this fails,
$1,000 hollow.
is for us to come down to
All
this
right,
level
check
here.
this out.
Let me just chart off.
Oh, there you go. Aiming to defend the. They're gonna have to hold the previous day low, bro. Previous day low 572.26 in order to push above the. Dang, I need a level here too. In order, to push above 578.82 for this target. Pre-market high 582.25, 583.9. What would you say? 584. And then the previous day high 585.4. Who's making money with me this morning? Who's making some money? Can I get some ones? Look at that. We show up and we trade the same setup every day. Now, our life improves every single day as well. It's not as boring as most would like to think, doing the same thing with trading every day. But look at this. You guys should be up over 40 points right now. Simple stuff. Charlie, Flex, and Joe. Oh, it's okay. No doubt. Joe's going to make some money. No doubt. Petty Paw says you need the biotech psychedelic market to moon. Interesting. All right, I am all out there. 30 points. I am all out. Okay, I'm going to lock that account now. That account is done. All right, let me finish writing this out. Okay, shorts. Aiming to defend the pre-market high. I know it's a little bit higher. It's a little high. Aiming to defend 578.22. Really? Yeah, that's V1. Yeah, okay. 578.82. And in order to push below the pre-market low 575.93. below this, make target 574.7, 572.94, previous day low 572.26, 570.49, and 568.46. Okay, can go lower on NQ, right? But I made my money. Why sit here and stress out about it? 15 points, right? Beautiful, $300. 30 points, $600, right? You know, just shy of 1,000. And how long did that trade take? From 8:58, and I got out at 9:05. So 7 minutes, I make $900. Not a bad gig. Not a bad gig. All right, got a little bit more sleep last night, probably about 30 minutes more. So, gonna be a good day. All right, so here's the SPY directional analysis. I'm gonna post it in the chat. All I ask is that you guys leave a like showing support for the directional analysis. I post this every single morning for free, giving traders insight as to where buyers and sellers potentially are for today's intraday market. So when I get back, let's chart out futures, ES, and Q, as well as picking contracts to watch prior to the open for our options plays. And then we'll also go through our warm-up preparing for today's price action. So I will be right back.
Let's see how this candle closes. I'm really watching this candle. Really watching this candle. Two-minute EMA rejection right now happening. It's going to close as a hammer. And then hopefully take the pullback on this. CBC is about to flip on the 2-minute EMA. So for me personally, this is a long trade, but I will wait for a pullback. Let's see. Could be another 2-minute EMA rejection. That's the problem. 20 seconds. Okay, it didn't close how I wanted it to close, and then we did get a 2-minute EMA rejection. My concern was if the body closed, probably just like right here. Even this looks like an inverted hammer above the 0.1. I'm gonna try. Let's see. Remember, I just need $200. Give me 190. Let's see if it pushes up. This is an inverted hammer. Almost 10 points. Still got 30 seconds on this candle. There we go, 10 points here. I'm gonna move to 100. Did we flip on the 2-minute? Not yet. Still short on the 2-minute. Again. I'm gonna risk my profits. It could fail though. This could fail. CBC is still bearish on both the 10 and the 2. But I liked what this did, this inverted hammer did. I want to be in 2 contracts so I could take one off at 10 points. You know what? Let's go for, there we go. Let's go for 30 points. Yeah, rejected off the 20. So probably going to come back down. Give us a little pump. There we go. This is 200. Give us that 30. There we go. Secure the payout for today. Let's just see how this rides up. Let's just see what happens now. Day 5 in the books, man. We won. 15-point gain, NQ. 1 contract. Don't need a whole lot. 1 flipping contract. Let's see if we get 50 points. Let's see. We don't. Locking it up. I won. I flipping won. There we go. And we're moving now. There we go. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Wait, why is my thing not showing? Oh, look at it moving now. What did I say? That would have given me the 50 points as well. Oh, well. Ah, you're kidding me, bro. Yeah, it gave me the 50 points. You're kidding. Where did I enter? Almost 50 points. But yeah, I just had a feeling. It's just like we wicked up. This was my original trade anyway. And then we came near it. Near enough to it. And then on the 10-minute, what I was seeing is this. this hammer candle is what I was seeing. And then on the 2-minute, we put in this inverted hammer. So I was like, okay, this is definitely a bullish setup that it's looking like. And lo and behold, we popped up. Moving on to this next account is 1:15 now. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes before I take a trade. I stuck to my guns. I said I'm going to trade one contract. I did trade one contract. And yeah, I was rewarded for that. So now problem is we have flipped.
All right, I'm back. Okay.
This is flipping into EMAs, which is not always a good setup. But we are long on 2 minutes. If this flips on the 10-minute, could be good to go back to London all below. And then London all below again. Like, I don't want to trade in this chop. I didn't want to trade in this little sideways action, but we had movement here. The fib was my thing.
All right, session low, session high, previous day high, and previous day low. Lower, lower below, lower high. CBC full bullish.
Okay, there you go. CVC did fit bullish, but into bearish EMAs. Where can you go? There's no way you can go.
Sorry guys, a little sniffly today.
You. This could be the pullback. This would be a nice entry, to be honest, but I don't know. I feel like this comes down some more. Probably come down to the 20s. This wick test would be great, but look at that. We got it right here on the 33s. Looking like we're gonna pump in.
Yo, yeah, right. We can do that. Let's see. How do you know? I think he has to. He has to type in the chat. Oh, here he is. I got you, bro. All right, appreciate that, brother. Do I call out entries and exits? Yep, I do every single day. Okay, let's just post it here. Session low, session high, previous day high. And the previous day low. Forward low, forward high, creates a little supply there at the session high. Let's see.
Yeah, it's 23 now. Taking this off. In the next 2 minutes, there's going to be a crazy candle, and I'm not dealing with that today. 5K payout secured, though. Oh, man, I'm so happy. 5K secured. Almost 20 points, bro. We take that. What's that? 16, 17 points? 18 points? Yeah, see, look, this candle's already itching to do what it wants to do. CBC is long. We are into bearish EMAs.
Okay, let's get a NQ posted.
Where is...
There we go. All right, NQ's posted. Let's get our contracts pulled up.
Oh, there we go. See?
Meta, let's watch.
Oh, maybe we do hit it and then go up.
We'll see if they're super pricey or not. They open. Okay, and then for the puts.
Let's see.
635s. Tesla. Let's watch 280 calls.
Wow.
And the 270. We'll watch the 270 puts, but again, if they're too pricey, I'll move to another strike. And then Nvidia. Let's watch the 118 calls. And the 116 puts.
Let's see what happens. If we can break this pivot here, then I know we'll be okay. We're at 15 points right now, though. CBC is long. This might be the pullback. We just have to get above this pivot right here. Above where the sellers were.
Yeah, I'll be on to about 11-ish or so. I gotta go get a haircut today.
Breaking this would be nice. if Price ever just wants to do what, for me, once in his life, like let price action give me a nice entry and exit. Please.
Y'all already know. Y'all already know I'm getting that boosty fade like Charles. We're gonna be twins.
But we are about to open in 4 minutes.
Bro, you guys might hear my puppy. She's going crazy.
He doesn't want to give it to me.
Well, let's join up spaces. Mark's about to open up here. Remember, guys.
I'll move this to
We
just
want to buy red candles when CBC
to this.
bullish, and you want to sell green candles when CBC is short. Oh, excuse me. What the fuck's going on? I took the NQ long here, 10-minute CBC risk. Good morning, guys. We'll see. It's rough going into these EMAs, but I know we are.
Wow.
So keep it tight.
I feel to add another contract right there. I'm going to keep my original stop loss.
Good, taking L on this, guys. It's very risky. We're going to open up here in a minute and a half. I don't recommend this.
Oh, I don't.
But
okay, I'm going to keep my original stop loss at 500. Because then
have a higher low. Maybe like this liquidity sweep under 405, but
and then if it comes,
we shall see. Even bugs are back, man. They ate me up yesterday.
I would add one more contract, but we're opening in 1 minute. I just don't want it to wick me out. That's it, man. Yeah, 30-point loss. $30 seconds. That was a nice push up, though. I just thought it would have continued. $10 seconds. Good luck.
Again, that's a rejection off of the
Here we go.
I'm gonna get stopped. Let's see.
I'm gonna get stopped. If I don't, I'm adding another one. And then I'll sell.
Here we go. Back to break even here.
Yeah, I feel confident in this trade. How much is this? About 45 points.
Looking good. Just tough with those EMAs right there. Like I said, that is a big concern of mine. So they're selling a green candle.
Yeah, they're giving it up. Yeah. I'm gonna add another one. We can get over this. Oh, there we go. Took me out. It just wicked me out.
It's waiting here, right? Like there's obviously some indecision here off of the open.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's just gonna turn on a dime, the EMAs, and price below VWAP up's telling me a short, but I don't have the CVC short quite yet. Yeah, I'm out. I cut the NQ there. Unfortunate. It's all good though.
Still believe in it.
You know,
it's just being
I
annoying.
still like the long perspective, but I'm not gonna be biased just because they look at the context.
Yeah, being biased.
Price below VWAP, 10-minute EMA's bearish.
Let's wait.
What data? It's going to say, 945. You got final services up there.
Problem is, yeah, look at it. Oh my god, bro.
Super indecisive. We can chill for a minute. That's why there's that CVP long, but red candle we're going to buy. Yeah, ES does look better. I just am concerned, right? Like you're definitely seeing sellers present over that 9 EMA on the 10. Yeah, the VIX is up. VIX is up. Dude, the contract's hard. No.
Sellers are very strong. So it's looking
previous day low to high. We're right under that 61.8.
I forgot about my downside levels. Probably coming back down to here.
It feels like a short off of these EMAs and V1.
Yeah, EMAs keep rejecting.
Yeah, it's still a little bit further away from that.
Yeah, it's a short. Yeah. Likely coming back down here. Damn, I got 700 drawdown left. That's not good. we was long though. CBC was long. Into bearish EMAs is the problem.
575 put, risking high of day.
Next level to come down is here. Longs again. Come on.
Like I thought that EMA rejection was pretty strong there. ES still has a CBC bullish. Met an interesting candle there. Big rejection off of a 10-minute. See if they continue that 2-hour EMA rejection. But I need intraday confirmation.
They're probably gonna just keep selling it off, to be honest. I'm being biased.
But yeah. Problem with NQ here is that, you know, this CBC flip is already, or, you know, this flip is already broken that pivot, so.
Here we go. 61.8 fib.
NQ short, risking 2-minute high area. Just scalping it. I just want, I mean, I know we're in the 20s, but let's see if we can break down a little bit. There we go.
This is my zone.
Fuck, maybe I should have de-risked a little.
$44 seconds left on this candle.
Damn, dude.
Yeah, look at that. 40 points already. I could have definitely locked in 20. 30 seconds left on this candle. Maybe it gives it, I don't know.
I cut the NQ. Too eager this morning. It's really tough under this pivot break. Okay. Gotta slow it down, slow it down.
8 seconds. Push up. Come on, give it to me. Not 500. I'll take 300 off of this. I'll take 500 off of this. I'll take 800 off of this.
I'm getting ran over today.
Come on, keep going. Keep going. Okay.
The divergence I'm not enjoying, right? CBC short, NQ, ES, CBC still bullish here.
This is going to be our all blow. We'll just mark this out. And our all high.
Awful entry on the NQ short.
Again, we're back into the 10-minute 9 EMA, which looks like it could be rejecting, but we're curling up here. So maybe we get a bounce. Let me wait for this candle to close and see what happens.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut SPY. I stopped SPY.
Oh man, yeah, look, it's about to hit my level. Yeah, this looks Oh, how crazy is that? That's my. Oh, no, it's old now. Never mind.
So I've taken a couple or a few losses. That's okay, right? I'm not fretting. I'm not, stressing out about it. It's just part of the process. Things like this are going to occur. But now, how I move forward is extremely important, right? We have to, be patient, wait for the right setups.
If we can get a pullback into here,
Market
I'd love
trying
to
to bounce
buy.
here, but into the EMAs.
Give me the pullback.
Tesla, CBC short into the
They didn't want to give
EMAs.
me the
Same
pullback.
with
That's so
NQ as well.
annoying. Oh,
Let's take
give me a
it
pullback.
a little bit slower.
I wish it gave the pullback instantly and then went up. Come on, give me the pullback. I'll take it in the EMAs. Come on, give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Come on. You know you want to. You know you want to. Come on. Come on. Come on. That might have been the pullback. It might have just been the pullback. It might have just been the pullback. At 30s. Come on. Nice going. It's about to break a pivot as well. Damn, man. Why didn't you want to give me the pullback? Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back.
NQ, like again, that CBC flips short under that pivot. That's what concerns me. But the short here, close to the 20 EMA, is not a bad look. But maybe that's like a, again, liquidity sweep, double bottom look because it didn't close beneath 378.
Maybe this candle you give me the pullback. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more.
NQ, 10-minute CBC risk.
A little bit more. Come on. Come on.
Very tight here.
There we go.
I think I need to take profit a bit more quickly.
Come on. Below this golden zone. And then I'm going to take 1500 off and see what we get. Actually, maybe we come up to, I'll take this, 50 points.
All right, 20-point gain NQ, covered half.
Oh my God. Come on. I wanted to add there. Come on.
See if we can actually turn this candle red. Now, I would be very cautious here because, longs did put up, a nice push here on ES and NQ may lag.
There we go. Come on.
They gave us some profit.
Ah.
There's 10, 15 points again. I really want to see.
It's very fast, man. I'm up 530, but I just want it to break this pivot and then I can be
close to the 20 EMA.
Nah.
To the 9, but I like that it was within them. doesn't guarantee anything, but the divergence between these two, ES and Q, is what is creating a lot of indecision right now. Tesla.
Bullshit.
Tesla 260 put, 10-minute CBC risk.
We have news today. ISM services at 3 o'clock, which is in 10 minutes almost. Yeah, look at the shorts playing. Good exit. I was up 5:30. I don't know, man. I don't know.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. $50 right here.
Damn, dumpy.
All right, $50 per contract gain. Tesla puts, I sold half. Let's see. Right now, the could come down to this like halfway mark of that wick, right? And buyers could get that filled. So that's a great area to scale. If 80s truly are going to fail here, but we could see 20s to 30s, right? Maybe that low, maybe a little bit deeper, but make sure you guys manage this, please. You know, we're looking really good here.
Let's wait 18 seconds. I feel like buyers want to step in here, though.
There we go. 80 points right here. 90 points right here. $1,800 per contract.
Yeah, flip and see. Just too late. A little bit too late. Man.
Green candle here. And CVC bearish. Now, again, we just hit that or that level in between that or halfway through that wick where that I said buyers might pick it up. They are here right now, but let's see how strong those sellers are via candle by candle method. That puzzle piece doesn't fit either. So, all right, 50-point gain in Q. I'm all out. Hey, what you got? Hey, you eating plastic, dude? It'll be higher low here, like micro higher low. Short in Q, 2-minute EMA risk. Right at the bill. $15-point gain in Q, covered half. Yes, sir. $30. Yeah, I'm just concerned that lower wick and then that previous 10-minute candle is like puzzle piece that doesn't fit, like inverted hammer at the lows. Kind of shows some seller exhaustion slightly, but we'll see. Trying to block out as much noise here because price is below VWAP, 10-minute EMA is bearish. So I don't want to overthink it.
I'm not really following CBC today, and it's pissing me off, man. There we go. I'm glad I exited.
Oh my god. There you go, guys. Easy 75-point gain there. That's a $1,500 bill on MQ. Let's break that lower low under 310. We could see bill breaker 300. If you ever hear me excited, it's probably a good time to scale out. Crazy, man. Absolutely bonkers.
CBC is short.
You see how I was red right out of the gate a little, just because I was being eager, and I told you guys that, I need to slow it down. I need to pace myself. I need to allow the setups to develop, and not be so hungry for that money, right? But be hungry for my setup. So, we just did some pretty big trades back to back, and we're up 70 points right now in NQ. Be careful here because, I know a lot of traders want that session low pivot break. Well, we just, nothing's guaranteed, guys. There we fucking go. 100-point gain NQ, guys. $2,000 bill. Make sure you manage this, please. There's the bill breaker. We could go down to the 80s. If buyers hold the 80s, they could bounce back up above the bill, and then we could see continuation. But that's two lower lows after the session open. I think we should be waiting for data. I'm going to get all out here for a 100-point gain. That's how you fucking do it. Right there, baby. Right there. Guys, murdered it. Absolutely murdered it. Look at that shit, dude.
Bro, I could have had this, would have been
Hold up.
75
Hold up. I gotta
points.
get a screenshot for the losers real quick. Not the house step, but showing that it's an express, okay? Hold up. Ask the stacks knows. Thank you, sir. Every single day, guys. 10 and 2. 10-minute CVC, 2-minute EMAs. You use the CVC for sentiment analysis, 2-minute EMAs for your execution, right? You want to have a visualization of risk within those EMAs. The closer you are to that 20, the smaller the risk, the larger the reward. And I want to recap my experience a little bit here. I did take a couple tags off the open. You guys saw that, right? Heard it at least. And the first trade, it dropped down. I had a much higher entry there, like 430, 435. And I took profit. I got all out there for like 50 points. Now, someone would say, hey, you should hold that trade. You know, why cut it? But for me, I needed to gain confidence back during this trading session, which is extremely important. I hold confidence over profit because if I don't have confidence, I'm going to have a lack thereof of profit. So locking in, right? Just getting a little base hit in, waiting for the next setup. 10 and 2 doesn't change for me ever, right? I'm always going to look for those type of CVC dip trades. Take the same setup, a little bit lower but higher quality, right? I will always pay more for higher quality. You break a lower low, you break a pivot, you have to scale out, and that's exactly what so. If you are green, please consider locking it up and be patient for the next setup. One second. Sorry, they're asking me about this. So, right, they almost had me. They almost had me, but that's how I get them. Look at that, 50K a day. You see the time? That's right now, baby. I'm on spaces right now, baby. 31.75 right now, baby. Got remainder Tesla. That's why you scale out. That's exactly why you scale out. All right, right there for the haters out there, right? The biggest thing is that y'all watched. All right, y'all fucking watched. We're doing it. 31.75. Beautiful this morning. It's locked up. No one can take that from me except for the Top Step Live people. They can take that from me. Also, I wanted to apologize a little bit this morning. I started the session a little late, like 10 minutes late. I know you guys' time is important, so I do apologize. I had to take out my recycling today, and I forgot to do it last night. So, but yeah, I don't like wasting y'all's time. All right. How is everyone doing this morning, though? One's in the chat if you're green, two's red, 0 no trades or break even. How is everyone trading? I know it's still very early. We got plenty of time. Twitch chat if you're green, two's red, 0 no trades or break even. Twitch chat, YouTube chat, where you at? I'm doing well this morning. Lots of viewers in the YouTube. Very nice. I saw there was like 160 in there this morning. Which is a great change, right? Because last month, I think that, I just started YouTube again from doing Twitch, and I was only at like 30, 40 viewers in here. So hopefully you guys are making money. Hopefully you guys are learning, most importantly. Very nice, Mad Max. Payout locked. K. Ritchie. Yo, get some fire axe there on K. Ritchie. He locked it up. He got his payout locked and ready. He's about to get some pounds, baby. There you go, Bob Neat. Bob Neat. Dude, I love that name. What a fucking name. What's up, Shaka? What's up, Motivation? Yo, finance guy, Ryan. Welcome to the group. When did you join? What's it say? I don't know what it says here. A few days ago. Look at that. Beautiful. Locked up. Look at these winners. 1,255 on the Express from Mad Max. He made $1,000 on his combine, so he's getting his eval passed up. That's good. First day on this XFA. Beautiful. Dane, it's all good. We'll get it. Second daily payout will take profit. Nice, J Sal. First time getting 5K payout from Top Step. Minus the 10%. Look at that. Look at this guy, man. What a monster. Second payouts occurred on this account today as well. Look at this, dude. These guys are getting paid. You can get paid almost 2K right there. $1,850. XFA from yesterday. Look at that. What a G, dude. 3,300. Z, first day trade with me. Welcome to the group. Welcome, welcome. All right. And for those of you on YouTube and Twitch, if you want to check out the Discord, you've been enjoying the live trading stream, I post every entry, exit, win and loss, okay? I don't just talk about, taking trades and then take a loss and then fucking ghost you, right? Like most of these other gurus out here. Every single trade. Look, I took the long this morning, 928. I got cut. I took the puts and the NQ short. I got cut. It's okay. Made some money on Tesla. NQ short. Look at that. 50 points. 20. That's 70 on the first NQ short. After these tags, and then the second one, 15 point, covered half, just de-risking, then 100-point gain, all out, 115 points, plus the 70, which is 185 points. Great wins there. All right. So if you want to check it out, here's the link in the chat. It is wap.com/maplestacks. All right. wap.com/maplestacks.
I'm about to hit my 1,500. This is what I wanted, though, man. This is so annoying. Like, I had to go through all of that just for that, bro. I had to go through all of that. Like,
CVC flip short under the pivot. That's typically a fake out. CVC flip long over the pivot, typically a fake out. Now, I will say we are extended from the 10-minute 200. It could, push up to that level, but I'm going to need a big discount to take part in this, right? As a trader, we have to identify what is favorable and unfavorable forms of price action. Right now, if you want to get really mad, trade this, right? They pissed me off a little bit and I had to take my money back and some. But this is super volatile, super indecisive. You know, is this something you really want to throw your money at? I don't know.
Let's see. Today is March 5th. I took took 20 trades today. Okay. Started the day back-to-back losers.
Welcome, Kev. Finance guy Ryan says, yesterday you started first day on prop, 11.22 yesterday, 13.50 today. Your CBC works. Never knew what the heck that was until you. No one does, man. I made it. Everyone wants to go and say, oh, I want to trade butthole harmonics and turtle soup and fair value bullshit, dude. ICT Huntland, fuck that guy, man. This is as simple as it gets, and it prints money. Simple as it gets. You're going to take losses. What trading strategy doesn't give losses? You know, nothing's perfect, but to sit there and say, you know, come off of 2 tags and lock in and capture that whole move almost perfectly, right? Nailed the top here for NQ. Top, came down, made money, pulled back again, 2-minute EMA, slingshot effect, make even more.
So, all right.
Yo, what's up, Frank?
When was I in 3? Oh, this is when I was adding to my position and it turned to be a loser. So I was up.
So let's chill for a moment.
I was in 1 and then I was up and I was like, nah, I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, I would have had more, which is just frustrating, but it's all good though.
ABC still short on Nvidia.
Really, 4:30? Oh yeah, I did look up at 4:30, but it went to my target anyway. But yeah. So I had some back-to-back tags. Like took me literally down to 700, which is just frustrating. So down to 700, man, insane.
Dude, facts.
Let me go to my practice account. Let's practice some trading, man. I still need to trust the CBC more, man. Still need to trust the CBC more. We're bouncing off a VWAP right now. Let's see if we get a bounce here.
Water check, guys. Water check.
Water check. Man, I don't trade news, but I would have been so mad if that happened.
I don't know.
Where was I?
It's not bad to hesitate certain setups.
Nah. Today. Oh yeah, up here on the hourly, and then we came all the way down here. Insane. But we're back almost to where I thought we were gonna bounce from. Yeah, this 03 levels. Whoa. What? Oh.
Long ES, 2-minute EMA risk.
Long NQ, 2-minute EMA risk. Look at that. Already up 20 points, 25 points, 30 points.
All right, 6-point gain ES.
That's insane, bro.
Risk a little bit.
Look at that.
Clean $300 per contract.
I'll take 20 points. I'll take 25 points. This is just one contract as well. I'll take 30 points.
Oh yeah, let's ride. Now I don't like the 10-minute CVC flip over.
I'll take 40 points.
we could see that 10-minute 200 EMA at 5.
This is 75 points up here.
That's going to be a 20-point gain on ES from the current
40 points.
But again, I don't, it feels like liquidity
bouncing from the EMA, which is what I took, and took it for 40 points. And it even went to whatever. Oh, man, today was tough, man. Today was tough. Like, I had to really stay locked in, and I really had to just focus. And then data came out. Like, yeah, it was going down, and then it's even this is gonna come back and fill this gap. This is a volume imbalance. This is what usually happens on data, but we're literally gonna come back and fill this gap. But I won't be around for that.
Yo, Bavneet says he's shedding the YouTube skin, man. Logging off of YouTube, he's gonna go into the Discord. He is in. Now we're close to break even here. I'm a point away from it. I'm not afraid. I feel like they're just gonna pick up more orders here. But if I do get stopped out,
another bounce of the EMA.
A red trade.
Oh, I could have taken it.
Risk. Look at that. Nice little bounce. 4 points again. If you guys are afraid, right, make sure you sell some of this. I like the fact that we're on VWAP.
Double dipping.
This is to me like
oh yeah, we're above below VWAP still.
I'm scalping this, but
let's see what he wants to do.
It could go right back down.
Stop loss is 20-point stop. Oh, already up 5 points. Look at that.
Now, I want to ask something.
10 points.
It's not too personal, but how many of you guys in the group have made more than you would have made or will make at your full-time job today? Right. So calculate what you're going to make today at your full-time job, and then what you versus what you've made today trading with me this morning session.
Yeah.
So we got Dez, Red, Gary, Bid, Chad, Ray. Dude, I feel the struggle, man. I remember applying on Indeed many years ago and not getting shit. All right, I'm out the remainder ES there. Small green trade, but it was worth a try.
Okay, didn't want to give it that time. I mean, it gave me 10 points though, so. And now CBC has flipped. So.
Poetic Genius says he's made more than 2 days worth of pay. J Sal says, yup, Scooby Dooby. Mad Max. The question was, oh my God. Holy shit. The question was, have you made more today trading for an hour-ish, a little over an hour? Made more than you will make at your full-time job today. So calculate what you make at your full-time job versus your profit today trading. Oh, $10. HP got $10. Oh man, that's hilarious. Very nice finance guy. See, good cut there for us. Like I tried it, but then we know when the trade isn't validated, right? Or at least our entry. That's a sharp rejection. I didn't get a 2-minute CBC flip off the EMAs. We de-risk half, and then the other half we get stopped. It's a very baby trade. I mean, like $120 or 100 whatever, $25. But that's exactly what I was talking about. Look at the CBC flip short under the pivot. That's not a good setup. CVC flip long over the pivot, again, not a good setup. So I knew that going into this trade that it's likely to be choppy. This may still be great risk to reward for the ES or SPY longs, but again, I don't have to sit here and force things. I mean, I've made a lot of money in pre-market, made 3 racks on an express this morning, options I'm a little red on, which is, acceptable considering the futures profit, but I feel like today is going to be trappy, and it already has been. Look at yesterday, clean dump. Day before, clean dump. Look at this, clean push up with the CVC flip confirmation. Dump. We're not getting that today. Look at all these days of just, a whole week of clean opens. And you go to today, this doesn't look too clean. Y'all are fucking crazy. Now, I gotta ask Han, right? Was that some due diligence, right? It's gotta be. Han has been out there in the field, all right?
Damn, look at this drop.
Doing some due diligence out there on Hollywood Boulevard. Holy shit, dude. Okay, it's choppy.
Yeah, so why did this CBC fail? One, without data, I would have said we're in, like this one, we're into bearish EMAs. 2, we are prices below VWAP. We couldn't get above VWAP and close.
Hey guys,
and then the next short candle pushed down very aggressively. We couldn't hit or blow.
How much? Yesterday was what's yesterday? 6 miles yesterday. Day before,
I've made 7 racks this week so far on this account. And then on this account this week I've made 4 racks. 10 racks in total. 10,395. Taking a 5K payout today. Amazing, man. Amazing. My girl asked me the other day, how are you getting money? How are you getting money? Thinking, I wasn't getting any money in January, that's for sure.
I mean, I'm not like, I try not to, like, I'm not being judgmental in this kind of sense, right? But like, I used to work full-time jobs and slave away at them. And like, so finance guy says, it's easy to get exercise in if you're only working 2 to 3 hours a day. And I was we're out doing our run, walk, and CVC hasn't flipped yet, so I really am not going to force anything here. I don't even have a 2-minute EMA pullback, so just keep watch on that. If it goes without us, I'm not really stressing, but
there we go. See,
about like 7 o'clock.
It's coming right back down to fill this. It always does. It always fills these imbalance gaps, and it will likely bounce here. But yeah, it always comes back and fills these little volume imbalance gaps.
And we were out there for a few hours, just chilling, walking. I was out playing with my dog. We watching the sunset. Fireflies came out. It was like, I don't know, almost magical, bro. And then I'm driving home down the beach, and I see this. It's now around 8 o'clock by the time I'm leaving. And I see this UPS guy, the driver, and he's still making rounds. He's still unloading his truck, and I'm like, dude, I live by the beach. Like, the UPS distribution center is probably 45 minutes, an hour away from where he is now. He's still delivering packages, and it's 8 o'clock, right? So he's still, he's got to finish his deliveries. He's got to drive, 45 minutes, an hour back in. He's not going to be done, clock out until about 10 o'clock. And they make good money. I think I think it's like 80 to 100K a year. But bro, you're slaving away, man. And it just made me really think back to when I was like working regular jobs and shit like that,
Yeah,
and
look, insane.
and what's
If I put a
inspired
flipping
me to
order down here, it's
have faith in training or faith in
already up
myself to
56
do this, because
points. It always
if you're
does it.
not
It
creative in
always
life,
does
if
it.
you're not going
So
to
honestly, and
look
then
for
this looks
other
like
forms of
now a
income,
double
or
bottom. This looks like a high low.
push to improve your own
So
lifestyle, right?
let's
Not
see what
just
happens.
financially, but emotionally, psychologically, right? Like yearning to be happy. You're gonna enslave yourself, right? It's not just because you need this job, but it's just because you're not branching out, or having confidence, or putting yourself out there. So for all of you right now that are studying nightly, showing up at the Discord every morning, trading, yearning to improve their lifestyle, bravo to you, right? And not to say that UPS driver wasn't, but if I was in his shoes, I wouldn't be there for much longer, man. That shit is just, you're gonna kill yourself. You're gonna be 50 years old with fucking Hunchback of Notre Dame, right? Like that's a big ass truck, and they fill it to the brim. So don't give up. If you're struggling, just know we all struggled at some point. But I need you to really focus and lock in, and give this your all, right? We only have one chance at life. Are you going to sit here and truly not give it 100%? Fuck, you're not the EMA rejection.
And then look right into the EMAs, and then boom, EMA rejection. If you took this EMA rejection, you're already up
Short MQ 2-minute CBC risk.
51 points.
I just missed that rejection. That's okay. Don't shadow this, guys. Trade smaller size too if you need to.
Let's go on my practice.
No, I'm not hating on it, right? And that's why I started off like I don't want to sound negative, for sure, because there's honor and work it provides for you. I totally understand that, but is that something that UPS drivers want to do that forever? Like trading, I want to do this forever. I mean, I have freedom in my life. Not saying that you don't, but being locked away at a job all day just to pay your bills doesn't feel human, And I hope I don't come across as like arrogant or ignorant, Like I really just I hope that you guys give my perspective, but a little bit more grace. Right, and I'm not trying to be disrespectful again, right? No, for sure, and I just want that, I just want us to be on the same page, I just given a real life kind of thought process that I had yesterday. 20-point gain in Q, covered half.
Yo, ES moves nice, bro. I'm already up. Like that's $300, bro. Like that is $450, bro. That's insane.
I'm on NQ, and the CBC is trying to flip, right? So you are right, Paul. but I saw the 2-minute EMA pullback. I should have had entry there at 90. Mine's much lower here.
There we go. Look, up 400. If we break this pivot, then it'll be good.
You know, I still felt like that 2-minute CVC rejection was valid.
I entered a bit late. Come on, take me out of one.
All right, there's 40 points, guys.
I don't even know how ES works, to be honest. This is 12-point gain. Right now, we're up 8 points. We're up 750 right now, to be honest. So, like, this isn't terrible.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, finance guy Ryan.
I just don't know if we break this pivot.
My stream was too quiet.
So I'm gonna move to.
I was like, "What do you want to do? Play
break even.
Lo-fi techno in the background? Like, is that really like? Am I a DJ? You guys both in the stream to listen to fucking annoying music? I don't know." Oh, you playing some Marvel Rivals? I see. I see that. Fucking Star-Lord's my shit, bro.
Oh well.
Dude, you know, I try to play. I don't know. I'm just not. It's just maybe I need to be a bit more strategic and shit. But I feel like I just can't being tank. You know, like, yeah, you're supposed to rely on healers, but come on. When is that ever the case?
All right, bro, man. That's it for me, man. I'm done trading this today. You know, accounts are locked. Happy about that. Payout secured. Happy about that. Day 2 on this account. I'm not complaining, dog. I am not complaining. My take profit was down here. Oh, we flipped now, so we probably will come down here. Anyway, day 5 secured on this account. So it's annoying because I had another account that was at 5K, and all I had to do was trade sensibly for, you know, the next 5 days, but I lost it. Got this account, fresh account, and I got this account first day. I was like, you know what? I was like, fuck this, man. First day, got this account at 5K. Then I got it to 900. I don't know why I didn't trade this a bit more aggressively. I'm not gonna lie to you, but you know, I'm not gonna complain. $1,000 day. And then Monday we hit 2.5K, 2.5K. Obviously had some drawdown and took some losing trades. Again, this day I took losing trades again, came back strong. Today we didn't play that. We took 10 points with some slippage, of course, and then we took 15 points. 384. Not going to complain. Yeah, so 20 points altogether. Green across the board, 100% trading day. The goal is to actually green all this month. I want to see green. Green all this month. I want to see green. You know, take multiple payouts. You know, with this payout, I'm going to activate the other 3 accounts, and then also buy some more evals with Apex. And like I said, man, the goal is to activate all the Apex accounts on the 17th and trade for 8 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trade for 8 days here. And then request a payout on Apex. $40,000. Which I know is possible. Just like these big trading days, like I know it's possible because I see people doing it every single day. And I don't think they're doing it on one trade. So, you know, something I have to get used to is taking multiple trades, you know. Like if I take 5 trades, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and I trade NQ, so that's 25 points on 2 contracts. You heard? So it's like this was a very good trade. That's 168 points. I think I just took.
Yo, take it easy, Uncle Buck.
I think I took 100 and something on that. 45, yeah. It's like 100 and something points on that. But you know, if I'm going for NQ 25 points at a time, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and that's 5 trades, like 5 winning trades of, you know, 1,000, you know, or on my sticky note, the goal is 1,500. Two cons, that's 37.5 points, you know. So NQ moves 30 points, NQ moves 40 points, so it's possible to actually get there. But I'm not entirely happy with how I traded, you know, but you know, managed to pull it off. The most important thing is, you know, executing. You know, didn't lose my head, didn't get frustrated, wasn't what the hell, man. Yeah. Yeah, look, demand zone very strong. You see that volume imbalance. Oh, let's go back to NQ, dog. NQ. NQ.
Bro, you grow a mullet?
Yeah.
Put mine down to a mullet.
And then intraday. We are bouncing here, son.
My wife is a better golfer for sure.
Bounce, bounce, bounce. So people looking for shorts. If you didn't take shorts here, 61 points. Demand, if you want to take demand here, that's given again 61. Like I'm saying, like what I have to get used to personally is being able to take multiple trades, like not aiming for like the most points or whatever, you know, because I do like trailing. So it's like, you know, if I get in and I'm up 500 points, so if I'm in and I'm up $500, you know, trail up to $500 or move to break even or move 100 and then continue trailing until I get stopped out. Especially on days that are just choppy like this. And I saw this entry here. No, I didn't actually. That's a lie. Where did I see the entry? It's one of these ones.
Minute here, man.
I can't remember. But yeah, maybe taking, you know, 25, 30 points at a time, you know, and then move on to another trade, you know, 25, 30 points next trade. And then do that until I hit a goal of like maybe 3, 4K and, you know, be happy with that and just be done for the day with that, you know, because it's possible, man. I see people making 6K a day. Like I've never made this much in a day before. Like I've never made this much. Like I was always going for like base hits 200, 200, 200, 200. And yeah, I should be doing that to build up the account slowly and stuff, but the opportunity is there. Like I'm not being greedy, or I don't think I'm being greedy. You know, me being greedy would be now I'm up 3.5 racks to then continue trading because I want to make more. Like that would be greed, in my opinion. But with the way I'm trading and how I'm moving, I'm trailing my stop as it's moving up. I don't think that's being greedy. And we've set in a triple bottom like right here, right now. So where's my pen?
I don't even think that's the order.
I don't even know where the pen is, man. Maybe I should highlight it when I find it.
See, it's just too close to
there you go, brush.
Which is good because I was looking at a short there like 75 and I'd be down like 20 points right now.
2, yeah, triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. So anyone that took this long is very, very good.
Bro,
that's long. This is a long setup. I missed it. I missed it. This is NQ again.
I need a flashlight for
crap.
my everyday carry, bro. I got a
how do I take this off?
P365 XL. I don't know. You guys got any recommendations?
Oh my god, bro.
Speaking of, put that black in my life.
Is there a pivot somewhere? Major pivot. This is a 2-minute chart. So major pivot. I don't know if it wants to reject this, but I don't know. Sell one would be here. And then this is the pivot here. I wouldn't say any of the rest is pivots. But I mean, I'm not really trying to trade anymore. We have this golden zone. This could be a golden zone rejection because we rejected this golden zone right here. Rejected right here and then almost rejected it right here. This is a rejection of the golden zone, and we came down. I'm gonna risk.
Just naked.
I'm gonna risk 5 points on this.
No, yeah, I gotta. Oh, okay, I see. It's a 380.
No. Here we go. 20 points right here. There we go.
Yeah, I was trying to flip. That's what I was about to take another short there.
CBC, man. CBC. Why don't I trust this more, man? And then I can just put my stuff at the golden zone.
Today, I mean, we just have to be super.
$800. There we go. What was that?
But we've had such an amazing last couple of weeks.
Oh, 10 points, 20 points, $600 on that. You know, this red day I was messing about. I don't know what I was doing. Oh my god, every single trade was red.
Damn, bro.
And it's still pumping. Yeah, we still pumping. Came back down here. Buyers got in, and then we pump back up. Another what? That's 17 points. But yeah, man, that's the analysis. There's still some things I need to work on. I have to trust CBC more. I have to trust CBC more. And there we go. Final target would have been here. I have to trust CBC more. You know, where was it? I can't even remember where it was. It was before the data candle. I think it was here. Price was pushing up, and I was looking for longs within this because why? I can't remember why. Didn't get it. CBC was still short, but the way it wicked up, I thought we would get some kind of continuation. That did not happen, and I should have been looking for shorts because CBC was short here, so this should have been my indication to continue going short. So still things I need to review, things I need to look over, and yeah, a good day's work. Requesting 4,500 today. Well, 5K minus 10%, so 4,500. There you go. Look, CBC flip now. Prior to this pivot, this golden zone is right here. Could bounce off of this golden zone, but I'm not going to take another trade. Could bounce at this golden zone and continue up. But yeah, man, everyone trade safe, and that is it from me today. I'll catch you